Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super cute. Talk about a cute vacuum cleaner. This brand sent this one to me for the video. We've been trying it with my wife. You're gonna see that it's a little bit dirty over there, so we need to clean it. But I didn't actually do it on purpose, so you can see this one better. But this is so cool. This is kind of like such a nice. I want to say this is not the best angle for me to work on this one, but it's such a nice vacuum cleaner. It's kind of like a cute one for sure, but also powerful. This one comes equipped with 45 kPa and a 50 minutes runtime battery, because this one is rechargeable, which I think it is a really nice thing, because you need something convenient, you need something versatile, you need something easy to clean, you need something easy to use as well. And this has that one on every single aspect. Like, this is an 8-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner that, by the way, take a look at this. It also has a self-standing mode, which again, it comes with the wall holder. If you want to put it in the wall, you can do it, but this is more for the charging, because it comes with the cable and everything. So you put the charging case over here, actually the charging cable plus the wall holder, and you have it whenever you just like push it back and then use this connector over here, and it connects right away. And it has a few accessories just to do some furniture or some carpet and things like that. More than anything, you will have to read this one over here, and it will explain everything about like 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna put it in a test. First, I'm gonna actually show you how to clean it. No, let's actually do some tests in my carpet and then some in my office, and then we're gonna clean it so you can see it better. So first, let me show you the panel over here that has a touch button. Sorry about the noise. It's not super loud, but I do appreciate that there is some loudness, because that actually gets translated into good quality. The best ones are always noisy. So you turn it on, and then you're gonna see the battery display over here. And then with this one, you can change the suction, and that's the max one. You're gonna see that this one is a little bit noisy, but again, that is not a bad thing at all. So we're gonna start cleaning right here. You're gonna see that comes with the light. As you're gonna see over here, you have the light. So that's actually really nice to have. It's a really nice addition just to have the light and making sure that you can see, either if it is at night or if you want to kind of like spot something in a place that you can't reach with your living room light or something like that. So that is kind of nice. And then you have some of this accessory, like for example over here, if I want to kind of like clean this part right in my desk or something like that, I can just do this. I use this really nice brush, so I can clean like this. I can get this one shorted if I want, but I don't want to, because I'm filming that way. So I need something kind of like a really nice grip to just do it this way. Now let's jump on the carpet, which by the way, it also comes with this accessory that's going to be for the corners. So I'm going to put it in max suction mode right now. Number 1, 2, 3. And you can see that this one goes really, really deep. You can see the difference over here. It has a really nice, strong suction cup, or suction power, actually, not suction cup. You can see this one right here. You can see how it changes. And I'm going to actually set it a little bit lower, because that one's actually way too much, and it's lifting the carpet, even lifting the carpet. So you can see how it changed the carpet over here, meaning that it has a really nice and powerful suction cup. It is lifting up, oh my god, lifting up the carpet. So it's actually clean it right now. So you have two things. This right here is going to be for the battery that you can actually plug. As I was just telling you before, you can plug the battery right here instead of just plugging the whole thing if you don't want to. Remember, that's going to be like about 50 minutes. And then this one is going to be the easy part. So you have this right here. So you don't have to hold the whole thing to clean it. You can just remove this tank over here, which, oh my god, you can see how little this one is. This was just for like now. This happened right now. And then you just press this button over here, and you're going to see how easy it is. Do this once you're done. And that's pretty much it. You can keep pushing a little bit just to remove everything. And by the way, you can also remove this, the vacuum section over here, and replace the filter or clean the filter as well. And once you're done, it's going to be just rinse and repeat. Okay, now I remember you need to put this one first. Once you're done, you are all set. This is going to be your new cute vacuum cleaner, tiny but mighty, also convenient and powerful.